Downtown in the capital Kampala, traders go about their business. But it is not business as usual. At this fresh food market, vendors say their sales have dropped in the recent weeks.
I import most of the fruits I sell, but since the dollar went up, the prices have tripled.
In supplies has resulted in a sharp rise in the country's inflation levels, with food prices registering a 2-year record high. The state-run statistics body attributes the sudden rise in inflation to mainly an increase in fuel prices and the cost of electricity. Heavy rains have also slowed down agriculture productivity.
The rains have destroyed the roads, making it difficult to access the gardens. By the time the traders get their loaded trucks to the market, they have no choice but to raise the cost of their produce.
In October, government announced a 17% increase in the cost of electricity. The agro-processing industry heavily relies on electricity, mostly for refrigeration of perishables like fruits and vegetables. Uganda's food markets are filled with lots of food, mostly perishables. The challenge here is the lack of proper storage facilities, meaning if all this is not consumed fast, it all goes to waste. Now experts say this is one of the reasons responsible for food shortages during off-seasons,
as well as economically for the region.
But for now, locals here will have to dig deeper in their pockets. The ripple effects are likely to stretch further across the border to countries like South Sudan, which are heavily dependent on Uganda for food supplies. Baleke, CCTV, Kampala.